Hey everybody, Bee-Man John here, Backyard Beekeeping. I see that the bees are out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this hive up and I'm going to sweep off the dead bees from the queen excluder. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this hive over here. I want to make sure that the bees are doing well. I looked in on them this morning. You can see the cages are still down here. There was quite a few dead bees, so I'm going to have Miss Honeypenny continue to film this. I'm not wearing my bee suit today. I looked in on them this morning and they were pretty gentle, so have Miss Honeypenny move her fingers here. There we go.
Okay, got it.
All right, so I'm going to take the top off right now. You can see I'm going bare arm, bare handed on this deal. I don't know if they've released the queen yet, but what I am going to do is lift this.
Is it heavy?
Hive. Yep, I'm going to lift this whole hive up. Just set it down here just briefly. You can come over here, Miss Honeypenny. You can see the amount of dead bees, unfortunately, that we lost.
Yep, on the left side.
Due to the heat. Yeah, you see them all right here.
Oh yeah, that's quite a few.
I'm going to brush these away. Get these dead bees off of here. And I'm going to actually take this queen excluder off. Decided I'm not going to use it.
Hey, can they see gray for what I'm wearing?
Oh, they're not going to bother you. Don't worry about them.
Huh.
They're very gentle. They're not going to bother you. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush the bees off here. And you can see all the honeycomb and the honey that's down there. They'll actually use all that wax. I'm going to put their hive body right back down the way it was. Go on, bees, move. Not happy with me.
Yeah, I think you just killed some just now.
Yeah, well, there they go. That hive is fine. I'm happy with that. Happy to see that they're out. You know, that's a good thing. Maybe by tomorrow they will have...
Those are the same bees that we already have?
Yeah, those are the same bees. They're Italian.
Oh, because those ones look darker than the ones that we
have.
have.
They're probably have a little bit different genetics than we did last year. I'm going to move the table up here closer. I'll just leave this right here for now, because there's still bees cleaning off. They're cleaning off that honeycomb that I put in there. It came from this hive when we harvested. And yeah, these bees are a little bit darker in color.
Yep.
Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to look in this one. Like I said, I looked in this morning and they haven't released the queen yet. Look at this right now. Oh, this one has an inner cover. So it doesn't look like they've released the queen out of this one yet either. But I'm going to go ahead and put this back down on there. And I'm going to pick up this whole hive and take that excluder off and then put this hive back down. You can see here the amount of dead bees that we've got on this one too. You know,
oh yeah, I see it.
Unfortunately,
yep.
You end up losing bees. Anytime that you put in a package, and they have been, you know, they've come all the way down from Northern California, several hundred miles. And
Just got heat.
when that happens, and there's all the heat,
Yep, the
you
heat
know,
did it.
you're going to end up with dead bees. And I hate to crunch these bees here and disturb them anymore, but I really don't want to use those queen excluders. Wanted to get those dead bees out of there. So that's it. Backyard Beekeeping, Bee-Man John, Miss Honeypenny signing off.
Bye.